Welcome to a simple explanation of LIC Jeevan Umang, a comprehensive plan designed for your financial future. This plan is a lifetime income plan offering whole life coverage, savings, life cover, and a yearly income. It's a participating plan, meaning it gets bonuses and premiums are paid for a limited number of years only. Key features include life cover until age 100 and a guaranteed yearly income of 8% of the sum assured after your premium paying term. You also receive a lump sum maturity amount at age 100 along with accumulated bonuses and a final additional bonus. This plan is suitable for retirement income, long-term savings, and robust family protection. Let's look at how the benefits work, starting with the premium paying term options. You can choose to pay premiums for 15, 20, 25, or 30 years. After your chosen premium paying term ends, you begin receiving your yearly income. The yearly income benefit means that after you finish paying premiums, LIC pays you 8% of your sum assured every year, guaranteed. This guaranteed income continues all the way until you reach age 100. For example, if your sum assured is 10 lakh rupees, your yearly income would be 80,000 rupees every year. Next, let's discuss the maturity benefit. At age 100, LIC pays you the sum assured, accumulated bonuses, and a final additional bonus. In the event of the policyholder's earlier death, the death benefit ensures the nominee receives the sum assured, accumulated bonus, and final additional bonus. Crucially, the nominee also benefits from no need to pay future premiums, making this plan strong for family protection. Let's walk through a practical example to make it easy to understand. Assume an age of 30 years with a Jeevan Umang plan, a sum assured of 10 lakh rupees, and a premium paying term of 20 years. The approximate premium would be 53,000 rupee per year, though this can vary slightly. During the premium payment period, from age 30 to 49, you would pay 53,000 rupees annually for 20 years, totaling 10.6 lakh rupees. After age 50, your income starts. From age 50 until 100, you would receive a guaranteed yearly income of 80,000 rupees. Over 50 years, this totals 40 lakh rupees in guaranteed yearly income. At age 100, the maturity benefit includes the sum assured of 10 lakh rupees, an approximate bonus of 10 to 15 rupees lakh, and a final additional bonus. This means your maturity amount can easily be 20 to 25 rupees lakh or more. In summary, for a 30-year-old, the total premium paid is 10.6 lakh rupees with a total guaranteed income of 40 lakh rupees. The approximate maturity is 20 to 25 rupees lakh, leading to total benefits of 60 to 65 rupees lakh or more. Remember, the yearly income is fully guaranteed, while the maturity amount depends on LIC bonus rates. So, who should choose Jeevan Umang? It's ideal for people wanting lifelong income and a safe, guaranteed yearly return. It's also perfect for parents planning lifetime financial support for their children and those planning retirement after age 50 to 60. Finally, it suits those who desire lifetime insurance coverage till 100, along with bonus and final additional bonus benefits. LIC Jeevan Umang is truly suitable for retirement income, long-term savings, and comprehensive family protection.